On the count of three, we're going to say happy birthday, Keke. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Keke.
Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it.
Miko's checking in. This is off the record sound check. First round we did Scarface, you know what I'm saying? This time we got Keke, the Don. You already know it's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Who knows who we gonna do next? Check it.
Straight up, how the H-Town and the funk don't stop. Now watch the trunk just pop in the front of your house. Cause I'm a swing on these boppers, I'm a climb these top. I'm getting rid of the shop, I'm leaving paint on the street. We sipping syrup, slanging birds, smoking Indo sweet. Now how to stay on this Texas, cause the plates ain't Texas. TV screen, young and the restless and watching. Now from Atlanta to Virginia to
Thursday night, fans and friends gathered in downtown Houston to celebrate the release of Lil Keke's new LP, Can't Rain Forever, while enjoying hits from the past 3 decades.
Ever, man, because we've been through so many storms in the last couple of years. R.I.P. Big Pokey. R.I.P. to my T-Lady. But right now I want to introduce the Honorable Mr. Jack Freeman. I've been riding through these sleepless nights, steady rolling. These ones to try to feel alright. But now I'm going through the rain to try to find my light. Now I'm going, and this heart on it is looking bright. It can't rain forever. No. And through the pain and all of this strife, when I look back over my life, no. Yeah. Ooh, it can't rain forever. The stress that I had to listen, that's running round. I'm off the porch and on the corner, ain't 100 pounds. I put my faith inside the old niggas, they let me down. So God forgive me if I cringe when I see them now. I stood strong through them long nights and hard times. I put my life across the line before I start. I sit sideways, put your body in the phase and your body in the vein. Your feelings, your talk, makes you scream and shout. You rap, you come, now you drink the truth out. Let it begin before it end with your beautiful skin. And don't stop, drop the top with your hand and wing. You look and you listen, and I listen, you will learn walking. Yeah, one time for they mind, say we bounce. Say, we're bouncing. Hey, one time for they mind, nigga, we're bouncing. I said, heart of a hustler, mind of a G. Keke smoking tree, fucking up the industry. Sausage shades all packed, dressed to impress. Now out of state on this Texas, cause the plates ain't Texas. TV screen, young and the restless and watching. Now from Atlanta to Virginia to the Sunset Valley. Houston all the way to Cali, got a boy for the rally. With the drink in his hand. Somebody pass me a drink, give me some. It's cool? It's cool? Let's go. I'm talking about my B.O.B. room. We in here.
All the thought social like south side, east side, west side, outside. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look at man. Hey, this is my nigga Don the Key. Know what I'm talking about?
Gotta get some off my chest.
He got the dirty flow. Man drops with the dirty flow. Also, man, we gonna do it like this though, for my nigga Keto. Slow light and banging all in my trunk. Trunk full of funk, I ain't never been a punk. I blow on skunk, I blow on Doja. Military minded, I'm a motherfucking soldier. Out the streets of the rich motherfucker. Got no decency, I still ain't a hoe. Let niggas know every day of the year. I pin my pen and I get my point clear.
Why we going up the, thank you, man, nigga. Get on the south side, alright, we going up the, thank you, man, nigga. Get on the south side.
For more content like this, follow @BobbyPin and visit thebobbypin.com.